just forget me. And honestly, our sun is setting, and hardly believe this got so messy. Ain't gonna sleep tonight. My dreams exhaust me. I'll be awake till the light. It's about that time that I break away before the time's by. Baby, won't you let me go? Baby, won't you let me go?
All right, let's just get straight to it. This is a really nice song, really simple to learn. It shouldn't take us too long at all. You just, had a look at the playthrough there, so you should be able to get most of it, how it looks and how it sounds. Let's jump over to the chord chart though, just to get a bit more information. We've got the chords here and the arrangement. Let's start by looking at the chords. There's only 4 for the entire track. So starting with an E flat major 7, and then we're going to go to an F7, then B major 7, B flat major 7, sorry, and then a G minor 7. Okay, so not that complicated in terms of chords, arrangement. Those are the chords in that order. So a chord per bar. We're just playing semi-breathes or whole notes. Really simple rhythm there. We can see we've got a repeat bar there. So 8 bars for your verse. Pre-chorus, we've got some arpeggio going on. So we'll talk about that rhythm in a bit. But again, same chords, repeat bar. So 8 bars again. And your chorus, exactly the same as your verse. Okay, so let's jump back over to the guitar and have a look at these chords a bit closer. So we're going to be on the 6th fret, barring on the A string for our root. Okay, and that's an E flat. So E flat major 7. Okay, middle 4 strings. Move that shape up 2 frets. So E, F. We don't want the major 7. We want the dominant 7. So we flatten that note. That's your F7. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the 6th fret, but now we're rooting on the low E string for our B flat major 7. Okay, if you don't like to use your thumb, then just go with your index. Go with whatever's most comfortable for you. Last chord, 3rd fret. Okay, that's our G minor 7 again. Play the fingering that you prefer. Okay, so those are the chords in that order. Let's just play with a count. Okay, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that, I mean, that's pretty much the whole song, guys. We just need to go over the rhythm in the pre-chorus, and then we're done. So if you want to get hold of this chart, guys, just hit the link in the description, and I'll take to my Patreon page. And if you sign up for just $1, you get access to my entire library. And it will also be a great way for you to support my work. We got the arpeggio here. Let me just play it, in fact. Okay, so we're just arpeggiating through the notes. Let's jump back over to the guitar and see how that looks. So thumb on the bass, and you're just arpeggiating through. Yeah, same. Like I said, when you move to the low E string roots, you just put your thumb on the 6th string there. There's your arpeggio, and then okay, so that is it, guys. That is the entire track. I want to give a shout out actually to all my patrons. Without your support, I would not be able to dedicate as much time as I do to transcribing, creating content like this. So I really hope you like the format with the guitar close-up as well as the chord chart and combining the two. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the description and I'll get back to you. And hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care.